Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Update the device and backup so you can recover purchases or data if needed. Once done, make sure you have the old Apple ID password available because you'll sign out of media and purchases first. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and choose Sign Out. This disconnects App Store billing without affecting iCloud data. It prevents accidental purchases on the wrong account and prepares the device for the new ID. Once you're signed out, immediately tap Sign In and enter the new Apple ID credentials. This switches which account handles App Store and media purchases. If two-factor authentication appears, complete verification to authorize the device. Then go to Payments and Shipping to update card or region. Apple ties purchases and subscriptions to the account's billing info, so correcting that now prevents decline charges. Make sure subscriptions are transferred or noted, because purchases remain with the original Apple ID, unless family sharing applies. You finish by verifying the change. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and confirm the new Apple ID is listed for media and purchases. Then test by downloading a free app or re-downloading prior purchases to ensure the account is authorized. If you run into problems, like purchase prompts for the old ID, sign out of media and purchases again, restart the device, then sign back in. Make sure billing country and payment method match the new account and check Apple ID settings on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.